up. It's 7:05 and my thermometer says it's around 40 degrees outside. Well, we've broken down camp and we're gonna get ready to head out. We're all packed up and we're heading out. The others already left because we were filling up water, so now we're going off on the trail.
Good morning. I think it's Monday, and we left Cable Shelter. Hopefully the rain is all done. We got blue sky, a little bit of windy. The rest of the crew is coming down, and we're going on southbound. A mile out of Cable Shelter, I believe. I think this is North Carolina Highway 28. Heading toward the 80 southbound. Top of Ridgeline. Nice views today without the clouds and the rain. The boys are way up ahead as usual. And here comes Nobo number 3 for today. We had 21 yesterday, going the other direction. The other side.
We made Stecoah Gap and then we found a nice resting place here, so we're going to stop and wait for the adults to get here. And then we're going to keep on going. It's very windy and cold.
But you're having fun, right?
Absolutely.
That's the important thing, that you're having fun.
We're at 3.2 from where we started. It's a pretty good time. Boy.
That's pretty cool down there.
Shut up. Ah.
Oh my god, man.
12 o'clock and we stopped to have some lunch.
Awkward. Mine grabs Steve, but he's blind. Oh, there's somebody over there. Wait, no, that's your backpack, isn't it? That's my bag. Yeah. That's stupid. Loser. Why? Oh, I've been using.
Do we know what the? We don't know the name of this top of this knob is, do we?
Nope. That looks a pretty mountain though. It's better than the knob. The knob. Ooh.
Wait, is this the knob or is the knob up there?
Where you just wasted all your time hiking up here. I love you. For nothing.
Yep.
Tyler, go. Action. He's building it up.
Well worth it.
I was gonna say.
Can I get this little inflatable thing refilled, maybe? Should I?
What's the name of this shelter? Brown? I think this is Brown Shelter. On the top, a little knob. Windy. Shelter's up there. Water's down there. So this is our campsite for tonight on this closed road. We got company down there making a fire. And then hello Morgan. We're further down the road. There's a hunter with a rifle further down the road, so it's interesting when I have to use the bushes. Not many good trees, so I am down the cliff. but I got a good view.
He gave you rocket and elixir collection.